Today, we are talking about a tool that many online business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs are curious about. If you want to sell products, create courses, or build a business online, you probably need multiple tools for email, sales pages, membership sites, and marketing. But managing many tools can be confusing and expensive. That is why some people use System.io. A lot of people ask what exactly is System.io? How does it work? Can it really help beginners? In this video, we will explain everything in a simple way so you understand what it does and how it can help you in your online business. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online growth. Today, we are talking about System.io and how it can help you to manage your business in one place. I also placed a special offer link in description that helps you to get a bonus or discount when you sign up. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description. By using that link, any special offer or bonus will be applied automatically. Now let's get into the main part of the video and talk about the System.io in simple words. First of all, System.io is an all-in-one platform that combines tools for marketing, sales, and online business management. Normally, you might need separate tools for email marketing, creating landing pages, building online courses, or managing members. System.io puts all of these in one platform so you can save time and money while keeping everything organized. When you open System.io, the first thing you see is the dashboard. It shows your campaign, email, courses, and other tools in one place. So you can easily navigate to different sections without needing multiple logins or accounts. For beginners, this is very helpful because it makes everything simple and clear. One of the main features is creating sales funnel. Funnel help you to guide your audience from discovering your product to buying it. In System.io, you can choose a ready-made template and you can customize it with your product information and you can launch it without writing code. You can add the pages for your product, checkout, and thank you page, and even the upsell. This helps beginners start selling online without needing to hire a designer or developer. Another important feature is email marketing. You can build an email list, you can create newsletter, you can send automated sequences to your subscribers. Automation means you can set the rules like sending a welcome email when someone joins your list or sending a reminder about a product. This helps keeps your audience engaged and increases the chances of making sales without extra effort. If you want to sell online or memberships, then System.io also has the course builder. You can upload your lessons, videos, and files and organize them into modules. Now, you can control who get access, you can set pricing, and even you can offer the membership subscriptions. This means you do not need a separate platform for courses or memberships, which saves you money and keeps your students or members in one place. System.io also allows you to manage payments. You can connect it with payment gateways to accept credit cards, PayPal, or other options. This makes selling products or services online easy because everything works together smoothly on one system. Another helpful feature is tracking and analytics. You can see how your funnel and emails or campaigns are performing. You can track visits, sales, and conversion rates to make smarter decisions. This helps beginner understand what is working and what needs improvement without getting lost in complicated reports. Finally, System.io is a beginner-friendly option. The interface is clean and organized and very easy to navigate. There are guides, tutorials, and templates to help you get started quickly. Even if you have never built an online business before, you can set up the funnel, you can create the emails and courses with confidence. So in simple words, System.io is a platform that helps you to manage an online business from one place. You can sell product, you can run email campaign, you can create course, and you can manage memberships without needing multiple tools. For beginners, this makes starting and running an online business much easier. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video was helpful. If this was, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. And don't forget to use the special link from description to get your benefits automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.